This is third Alpha Man training stage. This is my student Dainius. So Dainius, for what reason you came here? I want to improve my life, I want to control group, I want to be successful at talking with groups. I think that this third Alpha Man training stage is the most important for me. Who you want to become? I want to become Alpha Man. I want to control groups. Dainius has arrived to my Alpha Man training courses. Dainius has chosen third stage of Alpha Man training. It is the most beneficial stage for Dainius. Why? Because he wants to feel enormous confident talking with group of girls. Dainius is convinced that this third Alpha Man training stage is very important for his life. Why? If you are successful thinking with group of people, you can successfully lead them towards your goal. Dainius has stayed for 1 week at my flat. I always have free room for my followers. They can fly from abroad and stay for maximum 1 week at my flat. It is for free. At this room there is everything which need for normal life. Internet, sofa, wardrobe, kitchen, clear bath and toilet. After 1 week Dainius moved to another place. My girlfriend ran him a flat. Their flat was clean and comfortable for Dainius, life and self-development. The biggest problem Dainius has was making bad first impression. At the first Alpha Man training lesson I correct this mistake. Next Dainius' problem was he was not be able to continue a conversation with group of girls. Also this problem was at the group where is alpha male of the group. As you know, in the PUA community it is AMOG. This problem I have solved, showed him my personal example and given him psychological knowledge about social dynamic of groups. That means I was teaching him what to say for the group of two girls, how to continue a conversation and lead it towards goal. How you feel? Everything here is possible. I feel very good. It's amazing. Yes, girls have smiled for me and I believe that I can have results. Pop it, girl, and then pop it, girl.